Sermon number 85. Perfection of Allah, and Counseling. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I stand witness that there is no God but Allah, He is one and there is no partner with Him. He is the first, such that nothing was before Him. He is the last, such that there is not limit for Him. Imagination cannot catch any of His qualities. Hearts cannot entertain belief about His nature. Analysis and division cannot be applied to Him. Eyes and hearts cannot compare Him. O creatures of Allah! Take lesson from useful items of instruction and shining indications. Be cautioned by effective items of warning. Get benefit from preaching and admonition. It is as though the claws of death are pressed in you. The connection of hope and desires has been cut asunder, hard affairs have befallen you. And your march is towards the place where everyone has to go, namely death. Hence, with every person there is a driver and a witness. The driver drives him towards resurrection while the witness furnishes evidence about his deeds. Paradise. In paradise there are high classes and different places of stay. Its boundary never ends. He who stays in it will never depart from it. He who is endowed with everlasting abode in it will not get old, and its resident will not face want.